In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Perplexity's deep research feature to save hours on research. If you're delving into complex topics and aiming to streamline your research process, you're in the right place. So, let's dive in and see how we can make use of Perplexity's tools to enhance our research efficiency. First, open your internet browser and head over to Google. This is our starting point for accessing Perplexity. Once you're on the Google homepage, locate the search bar at the center of the screen. Click on it and type in Perplexity. As you type, you'll likely notice search suggestions popping up. Select the appropriate option, ensuring it leads to the official Perplexity website. This step is pretty straightforward but essential, as you'll want to make sure you're navigating to the correct site. After pressing enter, you'll be presented with a list of search results. Among these results, find the link to the official Perplexity website and give it a click. This will take you directly to their homepage. Once you're there, you're all set to start making use of their deep research capabilities. On the Perplexity homepage, you'll find a variety of options and tools designed to help with your research. Now comes the creative part, crafting your research prompt. In this instance, let's investigate the digital divide in education. Specifically, focus on AI literacy and socioeconomic inequality. Your prompt should ask for analysis of recent academic studies from 2024 to 2025 on topics like access to AI tools, educational equity, and the development of digital skills. It's important to include a request for discussing policy implications, ethical concerns, and proposed solutions. To ensure the credibility of your research, instruct the tool to cite only peer-reviewed journals, institutional reports, and respectable data sources. Once your prompt is ready, look for the Deep Research button. Typically, this is prominently displayed or located within an easily accessible section of the website. Click on this button. This feature is designed to dive deeper into the details of your request and provide comprehensive results that are well-grounded in reliable sources. Finally, it's time to submit your research request. Locate the Submit button and give it a click. After hitting Submit, the tool will start working on pulling together relevant information. While it processes, you have the opportunity to await a distilled analysis that could save you a significant amount of time and effort. And there you have it. By leveraging Perplexity's detailed and intuitive interface, you can significantly cut down research time while still guaranteeing access to credible and in-depth resources. This method is not only a time saver, but also enhances the quality of the information you gather. I hope you found this guide helpful and empowering for your future research endeavors.